Where you trying to go? You know how to get to Buc-ee's from here?
Yeah. You want to ride out there?
I was going to tell you.
Yeah, we could do that.
I'll probably actually fill up over there.
Yeah, that's cool. We could do that. I try to max the shit out of it.
Oh, yeah.
I even stand the bike up to try to get that extra little bit. You got a whole nother gallon. You don't have to. It's gonna take all of it too.
What's all of it? How much?
$6.50.
Oh, okay. Hell yeah.
She was a thirsty girl. It's like, we'll go over the bridge, do the loop, and then we'll go out that way toward Terrell. So glad I didn't drill that.
Is the one you got stuck at.
Yep. Right there at that pump.
But you didn't push it from here all the way over there, right?
Nah. Right after that ugly turn, that's when it shut off. I think that's it.
Okay, because I saw that sign. It looked like it was the next exit, but I don't know if this will take us. We can go straight, right?
Yeah, I think so. You know what? Let's just do that. Let's stay straight and see if we get to it. Dude, did you see that possum?
Did you run over it?
No,
Don't lie.
I didn't. And I was like, okay, let me give you a little bit more room.
I was like, I didn't know if it, because I saw it flipping. I thought, I was like, man, was that like a fox?
It was, dude.
When it started flipping, I was like, nah, it wasn't an animal.
But
I
dude,
thought I would have seen you.
like, there was no way that I could have avoided it. Like,
I didn't see it coming until it was already beside.
yeah, I was already on top of it, man.
Oh yeah, at that point you gotta just try to
Either it's gonna die or I'll do a little swerve.
what's it called? Like keep control of it in case it made you lose your balance.
Yeah, yeah.
I take off tomorrow to Mexico.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna take my girl on a trip.
That's what's up.
For her birthday.
That's what's up. It's my first time here, man.
For real?
Yeah. You couldn't tell by the way I didn't know which exit to take?
But just this one, right?
Say what?
I said just this location, right?
At any Buc-ee's. It's my very first Buc-ee's. I got to do that with you.
Let's try these motherfuckers right here.
They pretty nice?
The brisket sandwiches.
They're big as hell.
Huh?
They're big as hell.
Yeah. They got different, they got sliced brisket, they got chopped brisket.
Damn. That's what's up.
They got all kinds of like little, but I always stop the one on 35.
My mom wants to come here. I need to see if they got those scooters.
They got a little cowboy section back there.
Oh, okay. Smells good. Keep doing what you're doing. Man, they got a lot of stuff. I mean, I just want to know if they got any scooters so that if they do, I can bring my mom, but I don't think they do. Like the little motorized carts?
Ooh, I don't know.
Yeah, I bet they don't.
I doubt it. I've never seen it.
Well,
She won't last too long.
probably not. Probably not. Yeah, she wants to come and try their jerky.
They got all kinds of things to try and see.
I see that. That's a good thing about a full face helmet. It serves as a mask too.
I was like, you know,
She would want one of those. And the good thing is I'm kind of recording all of this stuff, I think. Huh?
right now?
Yeah. So, like, she can see like kind of like what they have. That's a good thing.
Oh, okay. Beaver nuggets, sea sausage, caramel.
Hmm.
So if you were to take something back from here,
That's what's up.
pecans.
Yeah. Damn, they got a lot of stuff.
This down there, a little mini Walmart.
Yeah. I feel like I'm in a casino because it's so massive.
That's what you see.
That's what she said. I remember rock crystal candy. I remember the rock crystal candy that you used to put in your mouth and it would pop. But this is on a stick though. That's pretty weird. On a stick. I know she wants to try some of their popcorn. Oh, you didn't see the shirt?
I did. I saw it at the gas station over there. Yeah.
That's the first time I wore it.
Why?
I just wanted to wait.
I've never seen him like that. I didn't know he looked like that when he was young. You don't want to take your mom anything?
I don't have a bag on me. That's the only problem.
You have a bag on me?
I
Oh,
don't.
you don't. You put it in mine.
Yeah, but I don't know what she's gonna want though.
There's all kinds.
There's all kinds of stuff, man. I don't want to bring her home something she's like, that's gross. Now I don't want to go to Buc-ee's.
Yeah, like $10 another one.
And I thought about bringing my little bag, but I was like, nah, we're probably not going to stop anywhere except for gas.
I don't know. I've never been to this one.
Hey, as soon as you said Buc-ee's, I was like, hey, we can do that. Dude, those are cool.
Cool. It's just, I don't know if you noticed that funky ass.
Which are those? Yeah, my mom's big into like the camping stuff, so she'll want to spend a lot of time here looking at this. She wants to go camping when she gets her health right. So this would be pretty cool. Oh, she'd love to have one of those. Shit, she'd probably buy both of those right now if she had the money. And she won't even use it until she gets her health right where she can actually go camping like that. But she stockpiles stuff so that whenever she's ready, she has it. You said you wanted something to drink?
Yeah, but I'll put it. Is that a cherry Dr. Pepper?
They do. I think I'm gonna hit up a Gatorade, man. I've gotten on this huge Gatorade kick lately. Oh yeah, she'll have a blast in here.
She'll waste a lot of money in here.
She probably will.
That was us when we came back from our trip last time.
Uh-huh.
All these kids want to come in and start buying shaggies and all kinds of shit. Put it up here, bro.
Nah, I'm good.
Just do one transaction.
You did that last time.
Well, catch one. You can catch one too.
It's just having good friends. They're hard to find, you know?
You didn't even get very much. Heck, I would run back and go get something else.
Have a good day. Or a good night or whatever it is anymore. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. Damn, they sell grills. They sell... Jeez. Man, they got it all.
I ordered some armrest from.
Uh-huh.
They hooked up to that backrest. Right now I took off the backrest, but can't wait till I come in. I'm gonna put them on.
Yeah. See, this is the part where they have to take the one off the trailer and put the one that's not on the trailer and then tow it with the one that's not on the trailer. Did I confuse you yet? Yeah. I think I got us a trip. It'll be down a road I've never been down. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. What are they?
Real pecan caramelized pecan cat.
That's good. That's real good. Now I know why you got them. I don't know what I did wrong. That was very scary. Yeah, I almost lost the bike there. That's kind of scary.